madiskarteng technological na pagbabago ng Mount Costa ay nakasalalay sa pagsanib nito ng advanced na agham ng horticultural na may masining na disenyo upang lumikha ng isang mapanatiling pang-edukasyon at nakakaakit na atraksyon. Tinatampok ang technological at madiskarteng focus na ito sa pamamagitan ng pagsasabi na ang pagsisikap ay pinapakita ang mga world-class na disenyo at pinakabagong floral species na maiaalok ng agham. Strategic Technological Innovation. Number 1. Horticultural Science and Art Fusion. Ang inobasyon ay ang sinadyang pang-bridging ng sining at agham gamit ang pinakabagong floral na species na binuo sa pamamagitan ng horticultural science at isinama ang mga ito sa 24 na natatanging world-class na disenyo ng hardin tulad ng mirror garden at land art. Tinitiyak nito ang mga hardin ay parehong aesthetically captivating at biologically diverse at resilient. Number 2, Biodiversity and Sustainability Technology. Low-tech innovation. Isang estratehikong pangako ang ginawa sa paghahanap at paglinang ng mga floral species na natural na umuunlad sa local na microclimate na isang anyo ng localized na technological at ecological na paglutas ng problema. Sa kasanayan ito ng patuloy na paghahasik ng mga buto, paglipat ng mga punla at pagpapalit ng mga tumatandang halaman ay isang dedikasyon sa napapanatiling pangmatagalang pagpapanatili ng hardin na gumagamit ng scientificong kaalaman para sa ecological na katatagan. Number 3, Experiential Learning Technology. Soft Innovation. Ang disenyo mismo ay gumaganap bilang isang living classroom kung saan ang mga hardin tulad ng Inca Garden at land art ay physical na nagpapakita ng komplikadong impormasyon, kasaysayan ng mga konsepto ng sining, botany sa mga bisita sa interactive at hands-on na paraan gamit ng landscape bilang medium para sa pag-aaral. Sa esensya, ang technological na pagbabago ay inilapat para sa horticultural at disenyo ng agham na gamit upang lumikha ng isang makulay, napapanatiling at mayaman na edukasyon ng kapaligiran. Mount Costa in La Trinidad is a gem that offers harmonious blend of natural artistry and peaceful retreat. Don't miss the chance to be captivated by its beauty. Mount Costa, nurturing nature, knowledge, and prosperity. Mount Costa is one that just a beautiful garden. It is a vibrant hub that provides significant environmental, educational, tourism, and creative economic benefits to the community. Number 2, environmental and conservation benefits. Biodiversity Hub. Mount Costa actively works to find and cultivate plural species that thrive in the local microclimate, which contributes to local plant conservation and showcases the diversity of the Benguet region. Aside from that, we have Green Living Room. As its tagline suggests, the garden serves as a massive green living room, offering an excessive lush green space that contributed to cleaner air and a natural habitat for local insects and friendly organisms, as mentioned in the activities. Then we have the sustainable practices. The dedication to continuously sow seeds, transplant seedlings, and replace aging plants ensure the long-term sustainability and biodiversity beauty of the 24 distinct garden designs. Next, we have number 4, the educational and cultural enrichment. Number 1, living classroom. The gardens themselves serve as an outdoor classroom with areas like the Inca Garden, inspired by South American culture, land art, explaining the history and concepts of Olympic naming and inverted pyramids, and plural gardens infused with art installations, offering engaging hands-on learning experiences about history, art, and botany. Art and science fusion. Mount Costa is described as an effort to showcase world-class designs and latest plural species that science can offer, bridging the gap between artistic garden design and horticultural science. Inspiring creativity. The outdoor musical garden encourages visitors to strike a note and express the musical genius in you, while the emphasis on practicing photography skills and appreciating landscaping turns a visit into chance for creative expression and skill development. As to number 5, tourism and creative economic impact. Number 1, attraction for all ages, offering a variety of activities from glamping, glamorous hiking, and meditation in the Zen Garden to a dedicated playground and leisurely mirror garden strolls. Mount Costa appeals to a wide range of visitors, boosting local tourism. We have also local commerce. The presence of food kiosks provides an economic opportunity, encouraging visitors to recharge their senses and spend time on the premises, directly supporting local businesses. Then number 3, job creation. The commitment to continuously maintain and design and detail the gardens requires a dedicated workforce, creating employment and sustaining livelihoods within the local community. Then, the unique destination, marketing by presenting 24 distinct garden designs like the Land Art, Mirror Garden, and Ika Garden. Mount Costa provides a unique and compelling reasons for travelers to choose La Trinidad, strengthening its appeal as a premier botanical and recreational education. Visiting Mount Costa is an investment in beauty, knowledge, and the prosperity of the local environment and economy.